In hot summer days or cold winter nights, it's great to be able to get your Hyundai nice and comfy before you depart for a journey. That's why the available MyHyundai with Blue Link app is such a wonderful tool. To use it, you must have a vehicle equipped with Blue Link, have an active Hyundai Blue Link account, and have the MyHyundai with Blue Link app installed on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log into your Blue Link account. You'll then be able to select which car you wish to connect with. The home page of your vehicle will show the fuel level as well as the approximate range of the vehicle on that level of fuel. Select vehicle status, and you can check on many vehicle states such as whether the doors are locked, the trunk is closed, fluid levels, and other items. To remotely start your vehicle, go back to the home page, then select Remote Start. You can now set how long you wish the vehicle to run. You can also set whether you want the climate control to operate. Tap to turn it on. Then select the desired temperature. If you want to turn on the front defroster, turn it on by tapping the selector. You can then select available heated features to turn on, such as the steering wheel. On other models, you can select the desired mode for each individual seat. You can select the seat warmer or the ventilated seat feature as well as the desired level. Once your selections are made, tap Submit. On the next page, enter the PIN that you have set up for the MyHyundai app, or use Touch ID or Face ID if your smartphone is equipped. You'll then see the request is sent. You should know that for remote start using Blue Link to work, the car must have been started using the ignition within the last 7 days. It must also have all doors, trunk, and hood closed and locked. The vehicle must be in park. Also, you should not use remote start if the vehicle is in a small enclosed garage or other small enclosed area. For more information on the Blue Link app, be sure to check out your owner's manual or go to myhyundai.com.